sipsense.com is a new, innovative approach to learning and mastering SIP, the Session Initiation Protocol. It's ideal for carriers, providers, and vendors where proven skills and expertise are essential for a flourishing business and delighted customers. Here's how it works. Now, we've chopped SIP into 100 or so bite-sized modules, each focusing on one essential concept, with each building on the last. Most are mastered in 10 or 15 minutes, ideal for study between tasks or in quieter moments. The principles of SIP, its components, its behaviours, the rules and the interactions are all explained in engaging and interactive HD videos, carefully crafted by industry recognised SIP experts. But watching doesn't guarantee understanding. It's only in the doing, applying what we think we've learnt in real scenarios, that we solidify learning and demonstrate our actual understanding and competence. For every SIP concept, sipsense.com has one or more exercise scenarios built with the sipsense.com SIP engine, a fully functional virtual SIP network, complete with SIP servers and SIP phones, each with their own SIP stack and SIP logs, enabling us to set up calls, trace them through the network, and build real and meaningful call scenarios. For example, in the Interdomain SIP Location module, the first exercise generates a SIP call that may or may not traverse servers in different domains. It shows the outgoing invite from the caller's log and asks which entity will perform DNS resolution. Well, I learned from the video that it's the caller's outbound proxy that queries DNS for the downstream server, so root header, it's this one. Great! With the correct answer, I move to another scenario. The same general scenario, but with different phones, different servers, different addresses, and a variant of the question. This time asking for the server that performs the AOR resolution. Let's see. Yes, it's this one. Good. Oh, if I'm stuck, I can click for hints, go back and rewatch the video, or even pose a question or comment to the community. Now, with each scenario auto-generated, I'll never run out of questions. If I don't get it, the streak resets and I start again, keeping on going though till I really understand and can apply my learning. Then, with a streak complete, well, I've demonstrated learning and can move on, earning points and rewards as I go. And that's how it works. There's over 400 exercises, each focusing on one specific measurable SIP concept. Back in the dashboard, note the checkpoints. At regular intervals, we revisit random scenarios from the previous modules, keeping concepts fresh in mind and reinforcing understanding. And if you're a manager and want to track overall progress, well, check this out. From metrics and enterprise metrics, well, I see a dashboard of the whole organization. Overall, we've mastered 37% of the course. There's organizational stats, number of users in my account, how many are enrolled on this course, and how many have achieved the SSC certification so far. I can check performance by group, comparing progress in the groups table, and I can compare individual progress in the users league table, my high flyers, and a check of how my users are progressing throughout the team. I can select any user for a more detailed report on their individual progress, including their overall mastery, their points and badges, their progress and strengths by topic, and finally a summary of how they did for each individual activity. So, why sipsense.com? 4 reasons. It's comprehensive SIP training built by industry recognised experts, the 100 plus engaging and interactive HD videos, its endless streams of exercise scenarios built with the sipsense.com SIP engine, and the fabulous enterprise metrics that show the rate of learning and overall expertise of the team. Like the idea? Get in touch. sipsense.com